Hello students, welcome to Asansol North Point School e-learning classes. Now students, in our previous video classes we have already seen some types of multiplication such as 2 digit into 1 digit, then we have seen 2 digits into 2 digits multiplication. Okay, now today we are going to find out how to multiply a number which is 3 digit to a number which is also 3 digits. That means a 3 digit number with a 3 digit number. 3 digit into 3 digit. Now let us take an example then. So if I have a number, let us suppose that if I have a number 1, 2, 3 and I have to multiply this number with let us suppose that 2, 1, 5. Okay. So this is our task. We have to multiply 123 with 215. Okay. Now just have a look what we have done in the previous classes. Okay. So we have done that first of all let us take this number 5. Okay, let us take this unit first place number 5. So we have to multiply all these numbers with 5. Okay, first of all we have to multiply this 5 into 3, then 5 into 2, then 5 into 1. Okay, so this is our first work. So 3 steps we are going to do this. So first of all 5 into 3, 5 into 3 means 15. So 15 means 5 carry is plus 1. Now next 5 into 2, 5 into 2 means 10, 10 plus 1 11, again 11 means 1, carry 1, I am writing here plus 1. Now 5 into 1, 5 into 1 means 5 and carry plus 1, then 6. Then we have to leave the first place. Okay. Second we have to multiply this 1 with all the 3 numbers. Okay, one by one like this. Okay. So first of all let us multiply 1 with 3. So 1 into 3 is equals to 3, very simple. Then 1 into 2, 1 into 2 is equals to 2 and 1 into 1 is equals to 1. Again we have to leave the first place. The next case the same thing we are going to do, multiply 2 with all the 3 terms. Okay, very easy one. So 3 into 2 is equals to 6, 2 into 2 is equals to 4 and 2 into 1 is equals to 2. Then the whole thing we have to add. Okay, so we have to add the whole thing. So you can see here this first place it comes 5, then 3 plus 1 which is 4, then 6 plus 6 which is 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14 means 4, 1 is carry, so 4 plus 1 5, 5 and carry 1 6 and this is 2. So this is your answer. Okay, this is your answer. So if I multiply 123 with 215, so we will get this number 26445. Okay, clear? So let me tell you what we have done. So first of all 123 is the number we have to multiply with 215. So first we are taking the first place number 5. Okay, so 5 first we have to multiply with 3, then with 2, then with 1. Okay, so this first line represents this multiplication of 5 with this number. Then the first place we have to leave, and same thing we are going to do with the number 1. Okay, the second line represents this multiplication. Now third one we have to multiply this 2 with this number. Okay, this line represents this multiplication, and this then we have to add the whole part and we will get our answer. Okay, now one example I have shown you, let us take another example. Okay, now just have a look. This first example let us take. You can see here 712 we have to multiply with 211. Okay, so first thing we have to multiply this 1 into 2, 1 into 2 is 2, then 1 into 1, 1 into 1 means 1, and then 1 into 7, 1 into 7 means 7. Okay, clear? Then we have to leave the first place, so first place I am leaving. Next thing same, we have to multiply this one with this term, then this term, and then this term. Okay, so 1 into 2 is equals to, that means this multiplication we are doing, 1 into 2 is equals to 2, then this part 1 into 1 is equals to 1, and then 1 into 7 is equals to 7. Okay, now while you are doing this calculation, students, one thing is there, that there is no carry, that's why it is that much easy. Okay, okay, now next part what we are going, just have a look. This 2 is there, we have to multiply this 2 with this term again, these 3 digits. Okay, so let us do 2 into 2, this part 2 into 2 means 4, then 2 into 1, 2 into 1 means 2, and then 2 into 7, 2 into 7 means 14. Okay, so let me write here 14. Clear? Now we have to add this whole part. Okay, now I am going to add this part. So first of all 2 is coming here, then 2 plus 1 which is 3, then 7 plus 1 which is 8, 8 plus 4 which is 12, 12 means 2 is here, 1 is carry, 7 plus 2, 7 plus 2 means 9, 9 and that carry 1. Okay, carry 1, that means 10, 4 plus 1 which is 5, and this 1. Okay, so this is your answer, 150232. Okay, so if you multiply 712 with 211, you will get this kind of answer. Okay, so students, one answer we have discussed here, but there are 5 questions are there, so you just solve these 5 questions by yourself. Okay, so in the next class we will start another topic, students. Okay, now for this time being, just practice these questions and follow the multiplication table. Thank you.